guys, August 27, 2021. This one here, I got a call from a lady. Her AC's not working. She called me yesterday. I'm going over there first thing this morning. See if we can figure out what's going on with her unit. Told her to shut it off. I thought it always worked. You tell them to shut it off. A lot of times you go there and it's running, you know. Yeah, you can't make this shit up. We'll see. Thing's not working. Why run it? Oh, I was kind of hoping and praying it would start working. You know, this is their mentality. You know, the thing's all flipping iced up or something, and you got to shut it off for a day. It's the type of shit you run into. Not easy being cheesy, mouth. Oh no, it ain't easy, Miss Molly. Miss Molly. Oh, it's not easy. Anyway, we got a bunch of jobs to do today, so hopefully I get some footage. We'll see. See how low that is right there. Let's see if it's iced up. It might be iced up because the other's starting to come back cold. It's dropping. It might be iced up. That's what's going to happen here. See how it's getting? Coil's iced up. See how that's dropping? Coil's iced up. Hello! See how it's turning white? See how it's turning white? And it's going into freezing? You ran it last night and that's what happened. It's gonna be off for 24 hours. Okay. I told you, you didn't listen, so now what are you gonna do? They're gonna come back, right? Alright guys, I just left that job. I told that lady on the phone yesterday, I says, don't run the unit, because it might be low on freon and you ice it up. When I walked in the house, it was nice and cool in there. I said, oh, she's been running it. Sure enough, I went to go check the filter. Filter's gonna need to be changed. It's out. But yeah, tried running it and it started icing up right away. I told her, did I tell you not to run it? Yeah. Well, why'd you run it? Well, it was getting hot in the house last night. So now I gotta shut it off and go back there in 24 hours and try it again. People, they just don't listen. I mean, it's typical bullshit. Tell them on the phone, don't run it. If I go there, it's iced up, we're gonna shut it off for 24 hours. Don't run it. You hear me? Yes, I won't run it. I go there today, she's been running it all flipping night. Shuts it, when I call her and tell her I'm going there, she shuts it off. I'm not stupid. Never a dull moment. You wanna be an AC tech? That's what you gotta deal with. People that just don't get they just don't get it. Unbelievable. I'll go back there tomorrow and charge a time and a half. I mean, what can I tell you? Stuck on stupid. That's what I call that, stuck on stupid. Now, if she would have left it off, I could have fixed it. She would have AC AC now. Now she's going to be down for 24 hours again. How stupid. Morning guys, August 28, 2021. This one I gotta go back to that job that the egg coil was iced up. The lady had ran the unit all night. I told her to leave it off. She ran it, so I had to shut it off for 24 hours. Going back today, Saturday morning. You can tell when you run it because the suction it starts icing up and the suction line starts dropping below freezing. Then you know that the coil's iced. I'll go over that when I start it up. I got some filters. I went by Lowe's. It's kind of a square filter, 14 by 24 by 1, so I got a 3. We're gonna go over there and get it going. And it's probably low on gas, but you can't do nothing if it's frozen. Gotta let it thaw out before you can check it. Hold on in. Automatic. Set it for 70. We got a new filter. You know, you can get airflow through these, you know. 2001, it's gonna be R22. Yeah, R22, just lift it off. So we'll put the gauges on it, start it, see where we're at. Start it up. Too low. Gotta add gas to it. Stop. 40 PSI, that's way below freezing. Give it a little bit of how you doing. Give it a little freon. R22, 40 PSI is 17 degrees. That's why it freezes. See our superheat at 20 there, and our suction at 66. Our subcoolant's going to come down once I clean the outside coil. I'll do that on the way out so I don't get all full of mud. This is above 60. See, we're not dropping here anymore. Before yesterday, that thing was dropping because it was iced. That's going to be good right there. Superheat's good at 20. Suction's good at 68. Leave it right there. We'll hit it on with the hose on the way out. Give it a good. All the way around really good. That'll make the subcooler a lot better because they'll be able to breathe. It's clean now. It's a Trane unit. Not to stop a Trane. 20 years old, needed 2 pounds of gas.